If you'd like to automatically highlight any rows that match something you're looking for, like on this table where we've highlighted all the rows that have a category of A, and as soon as we change any row to A, it gets highlighted, then keep watching and I'll show you how. Everybody works with tables, and it's useful sometimes to be able to automatically highlight an entire row based on something you're checking for. So I've mocked up a really simple table here just to demonstrate this, and as we go through, for any row that has a category A, I'm going to highlight it a different colour. The tool I'm going to be using is conditional formatting, but not one of the standard options. I'm going to be doing it using a custom formula. The first thing you need to do is to select all the cells that are going to have the formatting if the category in that particular row is category A. So let's select the entire range first. We then go to conditional formatting. It's halfway along your home ribbon. And like I say, ignoring the standard options here, I'm going to choose new rule and then use a formula to determine which cells to format. There's two bits you've got to put in. The first is the formula, the second is the format. When you build your formula, just imagine that you're working on the first row of the table, so you're building the formula as if you're just dealing with one row. So I'm going to select cell A2, and in a second I'm going to check that to see if it's equal to A. But before I do that, you see how the cell reference is fully absolute. If I left it like that, then every cell that I've selected will be checking cell A2. And obviously that's not what we want. We need each row to be checking column A, but for the row in question. So I'm going to press F4 twice, and it cycles through to a different combination which says $A2. And that means column A is fixed so that on any particular row it's checking column A every time. But for each row going down, it's checking the particular row number for that row. I then say equals A. So I put it in quotes because it's a text item. That's all you've got to do. You then choose the format you want to apply. Let's just keep it simple. Choose a fill. Let's make it yellow so you can see it. Click OK. Now when you click OK, it applies the conditional formatting. For each row, it's checking column A to see if it's A. Anything that's not A is not highlighted because it doesn't meet the condition. Now just to show you this works, let's maybe change a few of these to A's. See, as soon as I change it, the whole row is highlighted. If I change it to anything else, as soon as it's not A, it becomes unhighlighted. Quite a simple technique once you know how it works. If you like this video, please subscribe, leave your comments underneath, give us a thumbs up. See you for the next one.